Ladies and gentlemen, please give a big round of applause for all the queens from all over the world. Here they are, and so tall and gorgeous. Hi, everyone. Well, queens, welcome to Indonesia. Oh, I know. That's my partner, Patricia Galanau, trying to make a comparison. Ladies and gentlemen, here they are, Miss Supranational 2025, Eduarda Brau from Brazil, Miss International 2025, Catalina Duque Abro from Colombia, Miss Cosmo 2025, Yolina Lindquist from the USA, and Miss Charm 2025, Ana Patricia Blanco Flores from Venezuela.
Yes. Dan turut mendampingi kita juga di sini, kita akan sambut Firsa Yuvi Amarta Putri, Melisa Zafiera Putri Yulian, Salma Ranggita Cahya Riani, dan juga Rinanda Aprilia Maharani. Welcome, welcome Putri. Ooh.
Queens, how do you enjoy our country so far? Would you please say hi to all the pageant lovers all over our country, starting from you, USA.
Halo, selamat malam. Selamat malam.
Okay. We understand you're saying.
Hello, Indonesia. Wow, it's truly amazing to be here to see the beautiful Salma give up her crown and the other Putri Indonesia queens and the new era, 4 new queens being crowned tonight. But being in Indonesia has been absolutely amazing. Your country is truly so beautiful. Your hearts, yes! Your hearts, the people, the fans, the supporters have been so welcoming, so kind, and I am so grateful for all the love from all of you fans. Hayati! And I also want to thank just all the beautiful queens on their amazing reign, you Salma especially, and Putri Indonesia for being truly the most wonderful hosts the past week and in the days to come. So thank you.
Beautiful words come from our guest. Thank you. Miss Supranational, would you please say hi to all pageant lovers? A lot of your fans here.
Yes, Selamat Malam Indonesia! It's a great honor to be here, represent the Supranational family by my side with my super sister in this amazing country with a beautiful culture. Indonesia has a special place in my heart since the beginning of my reign when our queen Harashta Miss Supranational 2024 crowned me. So thank you Indonesia for being part of this journey. Thank you so much.
Pat, sebelum kamu nanya sebelah sana, saya pengen banget nanya sama beliau ini ya. Gimana kabar ketinggian 3.200 mdpl itu? Udara di atas harusnya lebih tipis. Silakan.
Yes, next queen. Maybe from Miss Charm.
Hello, Indonesia! I am also so happy to be here with all of you. As you know, Rinanda was with me in Miss Charm competition, my second runner-up, and she showed me true human quality. And here, being in Indonesia, I can see that's something cultural. Your culture is full of amazing people. You have huge hearts. I am so happy I am able not only to share with you, but also thank you for sharing your culture with us. We are wearing beautiful kebayas tonight, and I feel so beautiful. Thank you for sharing your culture, your passion, and your hard work with us. We are so incredibly grateful. Thank you.
Thank you, Anna. And next, our Miss International, Catalina.
Selamat malam Indonesia. Aku cinta Indonesia. Colombia loves Indonesia and Miss International is totally love with you as well because I can see why Puteri Indonesia is so famous for the quality of its people, the way you educate your queens, and this is why we are with such a great top 4 queens and the more to come. I really want to congratulate you for your culture, the way that pageants here still have a purpose, which we can see with Dr. Melissa and all of the beautiful ladies with me in stage right now. So may the best queen win, and remember, whoever gets the crown deserves all of our love and our respect because all women are powerful and we deserve to be heard and we are all queens.
Yes, queen. But one question for all of you. We know that becoming a queen is a long journey and the true beauty is never instant, like a diamond in the making. So for all of you, what is the diamond lesson in your life?
You can start.
Do you want to go first?
Here,
Me first? Okay,
Yeah.
perfect.
start first.
I couldn't agree more that being a international title holder, national title holder, even a local title holder, truly is a long process. It's just like being a diamond in the making. It's long, it's treacherous. You don't know how it's gonna turn out. But I think the biggest thing I've learned throughout my time is that everything happens for a reason. If it's meant to be, it'll be. I truly believe that in every crown, there's a name written in it, there's destiny, there's fate. And for each one of us up here wearing the crown, I see Tata, my predecessor. I mean, I truly believe that was written into our crowns. And I want everyone to remember that yes, this journey is hard, and only 4 girls tonight will walk away with titles of Putri Indonesia. But just because they don't win a crown doesn't mean they don't win something else. The experiences, the memories, the sisterhood, and that is truly worth being here and competing for tonight. Terima kasih.
Indah sekali jawabannya. Miss International, please.
Oh, my diamond lesson is perfection is not the key. We're not to be here to be perfect. We are here to learn it, to grow, and to become our best version. If you have a purpose in your life, doesn't matter what the people say about you. Don't be perfect. Be yourself, because this is your biggest power. Thank you.
Diamonds can only be cut by other diamonds. This is why I am who I am, thanks to the women in my life that are my true diamonds, like my sisters, my mother, and every woman who has made me the girl that I am today. So really, the diamonds that I have and the diamond I have become and the diamonds we all are today is thank you to the diamonds that had cut us and shaped us in becoming who we are. We are all shining and we are all unique like diamonds.
Such beautiful answers from my sisters tonight. Really, my biggest lesson, my diamond lesson in this journey is that authenticity is the biggest act of self-love any of us can do. For such a long time, I tried to be what everybody expected me to be, wanted me to be. Perfect, polished, always saying the right thing, but that only made me feel empty, lonely, exhausted. Real beauty is not about perfection. Real beauty is about honoring who we are, where we come from, and what we believe in. When we stop pretending and start just being, that's when we truly love ourselves. So, my diamond lesson was pretty simple, right? Just be you. Unapologetically, bravely, lovingly, just you. That's when you will truly shine. Terima kasih semuanya. Aku cinta
Terima
kalian.
kasih for all the gorgeous queens. Please take a seat and enjoy the show. Thank you so much for coming here. Dan juga pemirsa, kebaya gaun Miss Dunia ini dipersembahkan oleh Anas. Dan juga perhiasannya persembahan dari PT Hartono Wiratani.
Semua tamu kehormatan menuju kursi-kursi kehormatan.
Terima kasih ya Putri Arunika yang cetar membahana juga. Dan sekarang saatnya kita akan bersama-sama menyaksikan penampilan 45 finalis Putri Indonesia 2026.
Mereka pasti kembali tampil menawan. Karena kali ini kembali kami ingin tunjukkan riasan wajah persembahan dari Beauty Queen Series dan juga make up and hairdo by Mustika Ratu. Evening gown persembahan dari Wulian, Tommy Yudis, Inggi Kendran, Lukman Abadi. Dan heels persembahan dari Patris. Mereka akan berjalan diiringi oleh lantunan merdu dari Anggis Devaki.
Wait, tapi sebelum kita ke sana, kita mau melihat momen keseruan mereka selama masa karantina. Penasaran kan? Ini dia keseruan ke-45 finalis Putri Indonesia 2026.
We are Putri Indonesia 2026, the jewel beauty of Indonesia.
Untuk ke-45 finalis cantik ini, beri tepuk tangan meriah.
Dan juga suara merdu dari Agis Devaki.
Ini waktunya, Pet.
This is the time that we've been waiting for.
Ya, penyaringan pertama. Kami akan umumkan 16 besar Putri Indonesia 2026. Di mana 13 finalis terpilih adalah pilihan dari Dewan Juri. Dan 3 finalis lainnya dengan hasil vote tertinggi pilihan pemirsa, pageant lovers semua.
Dan finalis yang masuk 16 besar Putri Indonesia 2026 adalah... Ini aku belum buka. Kita akan buka bersama-sama ya, Coki ya.
Masih hangat.
It's still very fresh. Oh God.
Selamat Sumatera Barat 1. Najwa Putri Cahyani.
Suatu perubahan tidak selalu dimulai dari hal yang besar, melainkan dari kesadaran, konsistensi, dan kepedulian. Hal ini mengajarkan saya tentang tanggung jawab, empati, dan pentingnya melakukan tindakan daripada hanya diam. Seperti berlian yang terbentuk di bawah tekanan, saya percaya bahwa tantangan yang membentuk kita menjadi pribadi yang kuat dan berharga. Saya, Najwa Putri Cahyani, Putri Indonesia 2026, Sumatera Barat 1.
Dan berikutnya di 16 besar Putri Indonesia 2026. DKI Jakarta 2. Gisela Belisia Alma Tesalonika.
One of the core values I always uphold is trusting God's timing and direction. There have been many moments in my life that things did not go according to my plans. And that experience taught me that sometimes rejection is a redirection. Because when something is truly meant to be, it will find its way at the right time, in the right way. I am Gisela Belisia Alma Tesalonika, your Putri Indonesia 2026, DKI Jakarta 2.
Masih banyak tempat kosong di 16 besar. Yang berhak berikutnya adalah Kalimantan Selatan, Talita Fatimah Rahma.
Like a diamond formed under pressure, I believe resilience shape brilliance. Challenges do not break us, they refine us. And I stand here not only to shine, but to inspire others to rise with purpose. I am Talita Fatimah Rahma, your Putri Indonesia 2026, Kalimantan Selatan.
Dari Pulau Kalimantan, kita menuju ke Pulau Sulawesi Barat 1. Ade Amanda Susiyanti.
Pendidikan adalah harta paling berharga yang dapat kita berikan kepada seorang anak. Lebih berharga daripada mahkota atau gelar apapun. Pelajaran ini mendorong misi saya untuk memastikan bahwa tidak ada anak yang tertinggal. Karena setiap anak berhak mendapatkan kesempatan untuk bersinar. Saya, Ade Amanda Susiyanti, Putri Indonesia 2026, Sulawesi Barat 1.
Kami ingin ajak Anda jalan-jalan ke pulau berikutnya. Provinsi Bali, Victoria Titisari Kosasi Putri.
The diamond lesson in my life is the idea of sonder. It is the realization that every person lives a life as complex as our own. And the arts makes this visible. allowing us to step into other people's stories through music, film, and performance. And by doing so, we are practicing empathy, something I believe we must actively cultivate as a society. I am Victoria Titisari Kosasi Putri, your Putri Indonesia 2026, Bali.
Apakah kita harus pindah pulau? Selamat Lampung, Agita Nazara.
The pressure is not meant to break me, but to shape me. Challenges, failures, and responsibilities are part of the process of becoming stronger and more refined. Because it is not the absence of hardship that defines us, but how we transform it into strength and value. I'm Agita Nazara, your Putri Indonesia 2026, Lampung.
Berikutnya, tempat diberikan kepada Papua Selatan, Luis Sovice Mindayo Mahuze.
As the world's largest archipelagic nation, Indonesia is not only rich in nature, but also in culture, tradition, and diversity. This is our strength. With my advocacy, One Soul course, and through Putri Indonesia, we can preserve and grow it together for a better future of Indonesia. Because I believe that luck can only happen when opportunity meets the ability. I am Luis Sovice Mindayo Mahuze, your Putri Indonesia 2026, Papua Selatan.
Dari Papua, kita balik lagi deh yuk ke Sumatera Utara. Natasha Ulibasa Palasa.
I value substance over speed as I believe in the polishing process. There is no such thing of losing when we are focused on growth. Having faith in that time has allowed me to navigate my career and this competition with peace of mind. I didn't rush my journey, and that's why I'm here today with a prepared heart and a clear mission. I am Natasha Ulibasa Palasa, your Putri Indonesia 2026, Sumatera Utara.
16 besar terus terisi. Kali ini untuk Gorontalo, Angeli Alkatiri Halilovic.
My diamond lesson is the power of 1% progress every day. We don't have to be perfect, but we must strive to be 1% better today than we were yesterday. This philosophy had taught me that big changes are simply the result of many small and sincere action. I am Angeli Alkatiri Halilovic, your Putri Indonesia 2026, Gorontalo.
Tempat ke-10. Selamat DKI Jakarta. Tiga. Karina Maudy Widodo.
Throughout my life, I've learned that meaningful change does not happen instantly. It requires passion, consistency, and resilience. This lesson reminds me that every challenge is an opportunity to become stronger and more impactful. I am Karina Maudy Widodo, your Putri Indonesia 2026, DKI Jakarta 3.
Dari DKI kita menuju ke Kalimantan Utara. Nilam Monasis Saputri.
The true strengths come from within. When we recognize our own worth and aware of our own emotions, we are independently take ownership of our life with resilience and aware that we share social ethics, and politics responsibilities and rights as societies. I'm Nilam Onasisa Putri, your Putri Indonesia 2026 Kalimantan Utara.
5 tempat lagi yang tersisa. Sumatera Selatan, Ayu Sulistiani.
Kegagalan bukanlah akhir dari segalanya, melainkan arah menuju kebenaran. Dan saya percaya bahwa jalan setiap manusia ditentukan oleh Tuhan dan diri kita sendiri. Saya Ayu Sulistiani, Putri Indonesia 2026, Sumatera Selatan.
Kita masih di 16 besar, akan diisi oleh Banten, Agnes Aditya Rahajeng.
The greatest lesson I've learned is that growth lives only outside of our comfort zone. I've come to understand that the most beautiful things in life are forged through resilience. Every challenge, failure, and moments of doubt have shaped me into a stronger woman, and it will continue to shape me into who I'm meant to be. I am Agnes Aditya Rahajeng, your Putri Indonesia 2026, Banten.
Sudah ada 13 putri yang masuk ke 16 besar dan 3 putri pilihan pemirsa yang masuk ke 16 besar Putri Indonesia 2026 adalah
Papua, Gloria Stephanie Yamenayoan.
Saya percaya bahwa muda bukanlah penghalang untuk menjadi pribadi yang berdampak. Justru sebagai generasi muda dipanggil untuk menjadi teladan melalui sikap, perkataan, dan tindakan yang baik. Saya Gloria Stephanie Yamenayoan, Putri Indonesia 2026, Papua.
2 tempat terakhir. Sulawesi Tengah, Lovely Deborah Tolembo.
Semua tantangan dapat membentuk kekuatan dan karakter kita. Mengalami konflik dan melihat dampaknya di Poso mengajarkan saya untuk tetap teguh pada iman, berpikir kritis, dan menebarkan empati. Saya, Lovely Deborah Tolembo, Putri Indonesia 2026, Sulawesi Tengah.
Terakhir, 1 tempat lagi. Pilihan pemirsa selamat, Maluku, Anessa Evangeline Gladiola.
Pressure and challenges are not meant to break me, but to shape me into something stronger and more valuable. Growing up, I learned it from my parents, especially my late mother, who dedicated her life helping others. Even when life is difficult, we can still choose to give, to serve, and to create impact for others. I am Anessa Evangeline Gladiola, your Putri Indonesia 2026, Maluku.
Asian lovers, inilah 16 besar Putri Indonesia 2026.
Pemirsa, voting 16 besar sudah dibuka. Dukung Putri Indonesia favorit untuk melaju ke 6 besar dengan cara vote melalui website vote.putri-indonesia.com atau scan QRIS yang tampil di layar kaca nanti. Manfaatkan waktu sebaik mungkin untuk vote Putri Indonesia favorit kamu, karena vote akan ditutup tepat pukul 21.50 waktu Indonesia Barat.
Jadi pastikan kalian semua vote sekarang juga, karena hanya 1 putri dengan vote tertinggi yang akan masuk ke 6 besar.
Kalau begitu, jangan kemana-mana, tetap bersama kami di
Malam Puncak 29 Putri Indonesia 2026.